हमारे नवनियुक्त वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर एस.के. कश्यप सर हैं, और हम में से कोई भी ऐसा नहीं होगा जो एज अ टीचर, एज अ मेंटोर, एज अ एनर्जेटिक ओरिएंटर के रूप में सर को नहीं जानता होगा.
I welcome you all to this hall. And the occasion, yes, it is a great pride and privilege for all of us to extend a warm welcome and a welcome to our newly appointed Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Shivendra Kashyap. He is a well-known familiar name for all of us. So on behalf of entire Pantnagar family, I welcome you, sir. He has expertise in the agricultural journalism, human resource development, speech communication, training and education technology. As far as honors and awards is concerned, there is a huge long list of awards and honors. Few of them are that he is a recipient of Uttarakhand Pride Award in 2019. He has received, very good, please clap. He is a recipient of National Community Radio Award in 2019, 2018 and 2015. He is also recipient of Bharat Ratna Dr. C. Subramaniam Outstanding Teacher Award by ICAR. He is also awarded for the Best Skill Story for Commonwealth Education Media Center for Asia in 2016. He is also recipient of the Faculty Excellence Award from College of Agriculture. He established Pantnagar Janwani Community Radio Station in 2011. 1000 sessions for academicians, students and practitioners on soft skills, life skills and personality development. So sir, we are confident that under your dynamic leadership, our university will continue to grow in the academic excellence, innovations and other different areas, and we look forward to a future filled with new opportunities, collaborations and achievements. So on behalf of entire Pantnagar family, I once again extend a cordial welcome to our Vice Chancellor, and we are keen to listen your views and your vision, and I am sure all the students will get benefit with your vision. So sir, dais is yours. I welcome you to the day.
Revered Registrar Ma'am, Dr. Deepa Vinay from College of Community Science, Deans who are there onto the occasion, they are also Chief Wardens of different hostels, Director, DSW, Dean Student Welfare, Dr. Jeena, all faculty members, Wardens, Assistant Wardens, and all the hostel inmates, students from different hostels. It's a pleasure being with you all. And initially, when we enter into why actually we are here today, in brief, we all share a distinct type of corporate life in Pantnagar University into hostels that makes distinction of this university. Lesser are those universities where 100% residential facilities are there, and this hostel life of Pantnagar University where 100% students reside into hostels complete 4 years, or if they are into masters, of course 2 years. It makes distinction of Pantnagar. Those who have passed from Pantnagar University, those who are there across into anywhere into the world, they all recall their hostel life. They talk about their hostel life, they keep on talking about it whole life. Something is there very sticky into Pantnagar which sticks with the memories of people, and you will realize when you will go out from Pantnagar that how distinct it is, that you will never forget what exactly you lived across into. It is less about your degree, BSc or BTech or BSc Community Science or Fisheries or Food Tech or Biotech. It's less about the teachers, it's less about the buildings. It's something else that you keep on remembering about Pantnagar across your life. And it is more about the network that you create amongst your friends into your hostels, into your batches, into your sections. And you live together, learning together, growing together, emerging together. Whatsoever you do into this campus, that actually creates the real memories of your 4 years, which actually retains with you across your life. And in between this life itself into 4 years, we decide and design our future. You came up with a dream, and then these 4 years translate your dream into reality. For many, these 4 years become decisive 4 years to reach or go beyond their dreams. Some people, those who try to fetch the dreams, come in between. But ultimately these 4 years are like dream years. And we live those dream years to design up something that we used to say our destiny. And therefore what we say is Pantnagar designs future, because your future is decided between these 4 years. Pantnagar designs future. दुनिया के लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस में ऑक्सफोर्ड, कैम्ब्रिज चले जाओ, या यहाँ आईएम्स में चले जाओ, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस में चले जाओ, वहाँ के इकोसिस्टम में एक अलग प्रकार की प्रोफेशनलिज्म होती है, एक कुछ अलग सी बात होती है. ठीक वैसे ही पंतनगर में भी देयर समथिंग डिस्टिंक्ट इनटू पंतनगर्स ecosystem and environment as well, and we all imbibe it, we all live it. In that distinction that is there into Pantnagar in between, which designs our destiny, which designs our future. लेकिन परिवारों में रूल्स, पनिशमेंट्स, डूज डोंट्स, ये परिवारों का अनुशासन तय नहीं करते. पंतनगर में तो 4 साल बच्चे हमारे साथ रहते हैं, तो इसीलिए पंतनगर में 4 साल बच्चों का हमारे साथ रहना, उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारे ऊपर होना. University is a family, and family is governed by a culture, not by discipline. So it's not a question of discipline among students at all. प्रश्न केवल संस्कार देने का है, प्रश्न अनुशासित करने का है ही नहीं. He was all amazed hearing, listening to that, and he said, पंद्रह डिसिप्लिन की प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होती. हमने कहा कि डिसिप्लिन की प्रॉब्लम तो मेरी अपनी प्रॉब्लम है. डिसिप्लिन की प्रॉब्लम का मतलब है कि मैंने अपने बच्चों को संस्कार कम दिया है, तो वो बच्चों की समस्या नहीं है, वो मेरी समस्या है. इट गोज टुवर्ड्स मी. अगर मेरे परिवार के बच्चे थोड़े समस्या क्रिएट करते हैं मोहल्ले वालों के लिए, तो मोहल्ले वाले माँ बाप को कहते हैं कि ये देखो बच्चों को संस्कार कम दिया. तो इट्स लेस अबाउट किड्स, इट्स मोर अबाउट मी. So I take the onus, I take the responsibility if there's something like that. And there's no question and concern of discipline, at least into the campus. And when my own kids demand too much, we say कि ज़्यादा डिमांड मत करो, देखो लिमिट्स में रहो, जितना है उसमें आनंद से रहो. लेकिन जो जायज़ आवश्यकताएं हैं उनकी पूर्ति उनके बिना कहे करने की कोशिश करते हुए अच्छे पेरेंट्स हैं. And this is what we do, we adhere into our hostels, that if they confront due to genuine demands, we are not good parents. And this is what is supposed to be philosophy amongst all those who are there across into hostels, that all basic amenities, all basic requirements, a comfortable life is provided to all hostelers across into the university without asking, without yelling, because it becomes my responsibility as parent. So while I speak for the university as parent of youngsters, those who are there into our hands, and it is not merely academic responsibility per se, acculturating them, giving them good sanskar, giving them comfort of life, giving them that amenities with which they feel they are at good place, giving them those dreams with which they can fly, giving them those aspirations with which they can think of a big future, giving them all those training, nurturing, hand-holding, even beyond classes, which actually make them complete human being. If not we, then who? And if students are left upon to me for 4 years, then right from one morning till a night till morning, whatsoever happens into their life becomes my responsibility as a university, because their parents have left them onto my responsibility. And I owe it as a person who is standing in front of you as one of the fraternity, one of the faculty, or your parent, or whatsoever. And this is what is the spirit of the university with which the university is supposed to be emerging. Being a part of this institution and being a part of this culture called Pantnagar, we all live the same spirit into different hostels. It cannot be a dean who would be visiting 500 students one by one. It cannot be a warden even looking after 300, 400 students into a hostel. But we had created a system. We had created a system called advisory system in which there were 4 or 5 advisees with one advisor. And those 4 or 5 advisees looked after their advisors at least in holistic manner. मैंने पर कल बताया कि इस विश्वविद्यालय के अंदर कभी ऐसा होता था कि साहब एडवाइजर्स अपने एडवाइजर्स को टाइम टू टाइम वीक, महीने, 15 दिन में कभी अपने घर पे बुलाते थे. They were called upon for dinner, lunch into advisors' homes, and the students would be prepared to go to advisors' homes for their dinners or lunch, hosted by their advisors, where advisors would be talking about how it is coming up, how it is growing, is it emerging, कोई सवाल तो नहीं है जिंदगी में, कोई प्रश्न तो नहीं है, कोई समस्या तो नहीं हो रही है. Creating that informal relationship that made lots of sense and difference. और जहाँ अभी थोड़ा माहौल है, जैसे अभी डीन कम्युनिटी साइंस डॉक्टर अलका मैम कह रही थी कल एक मीटिंग में कि कम्युनिटी साइंस कॉलेज में हमने एक सिस्टम बनाया है कि एडवाइजर्स कॉन्टिन्यूसली मिलते रहे समय समय पर, और नहीं मिलते हैं तो फिर आपको हर सेमेस्टर में अपने एडवाइजर के सामने जाके बताना पड़ता है कि मैं आपका एडवाइजर हूँ, आई एम योर एडवाइजर. तो फिर वो पहचानता, अच्छा यू आर माई एडवाइजर, बिकॉज वी नेवर मेट. सेमेस्टर में एक आध बार मिलते कभी, तो नहीं तो वो भी नहीं मिलते. So this two-side relationship, being with your advisors, connecting with your advisors sometimes, and even advisors understand the rules, it is two-sided. और पंतनगर तो एक मौका जैसा है. कॉलेज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी के बहुत बच्चे कभी एग्रीकल्चर में फुटफॉल भी नहीं करते होंगे अगर कोई कोर्स ना आया हो तो. एजी वाले कभी टेक में नहीं जाएंगे अगर एग्रीकल्चरल इंजीनियरिंग का एक कोर्स ना पढ़ना पड़े. And maybe that we didn't meet any professor, those who didn't teach us, but with our own curiosity, those are good professors. किस फील्ड में रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, रिसर्च क्या होता है. और जब इस तरह के प्रश्न लेकर लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं तो फिर बहुत सारे अच्छे इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ भी खड़े होते हैं, जिसमें से कुछ स्टार्टअप्स भी बनता है, कुछ पेटेंट्स भी होते हैं. आप देखेंगे IITs के बच्चों के प्रोफाइल जाकर देखिए तो देखेंगे सेकेंड ईयर का, थर्ड ईयर का IIT का बच्चा, उसके प्रोफाइल में देखेंगे तो 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट्स पे वर्क करता हुआ लिखता है या पूरा कर चुका है ऐसा लिखता है. और क्योंकि उनको एक इकोसिस्टम से मिलता है कि उन्हें प्रोजेक्ट पे वर्क करना है, सेकेंड ईयर से ही प्रोजेक्ट ढूंढना शुरू कर देता है. पर कुछ सब्सटैंशियल होता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उसको फर्स्ट ईयर से सेकेंड ईयर से ही बढ़ाना पड़ता है धीरे धीरे करके, जिससे सब्सटैंशियल प्रोफाइल बनता है. उस प्रोफाइल के अभाव में आप किसी मास्टर्स करना, MS करना चाहते हैं किसी विदेश की यूनिवर्सिटी से, तो वो आपके प्रोफाइल को देखकर कहता है कि इसमें क्या है जिससे कि इस बच्चे को कंसीडर किया जाए. And that becomes a question. But it comes only through your own curiosity, through your own efforts. And it comes when you are promoted towards that. And it comes when you are pushed towards that. That you get ahead into that line, at least think about it into that line, generate something substantial. Don't waste your time into much of the futile things. Do futile things as well, because otherwise life will become a reward. But just don't get bogged up with just futile things. Do something productive as well. That will make lots of sense. Into university like Pantnagar, into a residential campus where agriculture is also there, technology is also there, community science is also there, there's a huge lot of opportunity to merge with other colleges. दूसरे कॉलेज से merge करना, दूसरे कॉलेज के बच्चों के साथ मर्ज करना, उनके साथ मिलकर ऐसा सोचना, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, कंप्यूटर्स, एग्रीकल्चर के साथ मिलकर कैसे कुछ सोच सकता है डिस्टिंक्टली डिस्क्रीट। सो इट बिकम्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी। कभी यही सोचना चाहिए कि कहते हैं मेडिसिनल एंड एरोमेटिक प्लांट्स का सेंटर है, रिसर्च सेंटर क्या होता है, फ्लोरिकल्चर के सेंटर में क्या होता है, LRC लाइव स्टॉक रिसर्च सेंटर है उसमें क्या होता है, क्या रिसर्च होता है, लाइव स्टॉक और रिसर्च के बीच में रिलेशन क्या है। एक बड़ा मौका है, ये 4 साल एक बहुत बड़ा अवसर है। हॉस्टल लाइफ एक अवसर है, यहाँ के प्रोफेसर एक अवसर है, यहाँ के लैब्स एक अवसर है, यहाँ के रिसर्च सेंटर्स एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, और यहाँ का पुश है थोड़ा जितना भी है, उस पुश के कारण जो अच्छा करते रहते हैं वो भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है। क्लासेस हो रही है रेगुलर, ये भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है। ऑफ टाइम भी कुछ कुछ एक्टिविटी चल रही है, को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज हो रही है, ड्रामेटिक्स हो रहा है, कल्चरल हो रहा है, लिटरेरी हो रहा है, डिबेट्स हो रहे हैं, ये भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है। और इन सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज का एक मकसद होता है टू पॉलिश यू, to bring you up to the fullest of brightness, that by the end of your degree program you become a finished product. That makes all the sense. So in real what I feel is Pantnagar is an opportunity. Think about it into this manner, emerge up, it will make lots of sense and difference. It will help you come up to your own dreams and dreams of your parents as well. And this is what exactly university inspires, because what university celebrates one thing. University celebrates your success. You succeed and university celebrates. There's nothing else to celebrate for Pantnagar except for Pantnagar celebrates your success. The people those who are sitting in front of me, they are the brilliant ones. They have done great lot good things, and they would be doing even brighter things to make not merely your parents but us as university feeling really proud of your presence, that you were there into this university sometime. Thanking you very much.
So on behalf of entire university, sir, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for delivering such an inspiring and insight address to the students. And sir, हमारे बच्चे बहुत प्यारे हैं. I assure you from their side that they will not give you any trouble as far as discipline is concerned. They will maintain discipline. Am I right?